Hi, it's Jackie from Jackie Burns Creations. I just want to show you some of the things I got from Dollar Tree that I'm going to use in some of my DIYs. Got the little bunnies. I got 3 of them. They're all that I could find left. They make great projects. I don't even use the paint. I just throw that away and use them in different things. Okay, now for all the ribbon I got. I got some of this chevron ribbon in blue, a brown and a gold, the gold and the cream, I got one of the farm one with the animals on it. I only found one. And I found one with just one with the sunflowers. I found a striped one. And I found just one with lemons. I love lemons. And I wish I could have found some of the pillow ticking kind, but I didn't. And I found these 2 different burlap ones. This one's a little bit smaller, but I think they're both 2 yards. This one's ½ an inch, and this one is 3/4 inch. I got a pretty yellowish green color. I got a burlap with red dots. I got another chevron one, but it's burlap with white. I got 2 in the brown with the black dots. And I got one with white colored dots or cream color, whatever they are. I got a purple one, a pink one. This one has kind of an iridescent on the edge. Both of them do. Really pretty. And I've got some left over from last year, but I picked up some more of this checked gingham type. I just love the colors on that. So Easter. And I picked up 2 of these mushrooms. I thought they were so cute. I picked up a lot of packages of this. Pretty soon I'll show you what I did with it last year, but they come in so handy. I think I picked up about 5 packages. I picked up these wreath, what do they call them? A wreath charm. And they come with a little hanger on the back. There's the butterfly. I only saw them at one store. There's one that says spring. Probably backwards. This is pretty with the flowers. It says choose happy. This one's really pretty with the vase and the flowers. And this one is really pretty, hope. I picked up some seeds while they were 4 for $1. I got some kale, thyme. I used to get plants for my herbs, but I thought I'd try some early radish, lettuce, sage, sweet basil, dill, love that dill, and some carrots. And of course I could use the package in Easter. I got 3 towels, one with a butterfly. There's a butterfly on that one. And 2 with the butterfly. And one with the hummingbird. They're microfiber, but they're not as bad as some microfibers. I got the hummingbird placemat. I got 2 of those. And I got 2 of the blue, or 4 of the blue ones. I think I'm probably going to make some pillows out of them because I really don't have any spring pillows. And I have plenty of old bed pillows around that I can use for stuffing on them. And of course I had to get some St. Patrick's Day things. My husband's, I think when we did our ancestry, he's like 97% Irish. So, yeah, as if that was a big surprise to us. And I got some of the gold pieces and some of the foam. A pair of socks. I thought those were so cute. And the bandanas. One says Luck of the Irish, Happy St. Patrick's Day, and the other one is, and this is what I bought it for. I love this one. Okay. I bought the wire wreath. Of course, Easter coming up, I'm going to have to make the wreath to hang on my door. I bought the 2 of these. I didn't see the ones with the bells, just the ones with the welcome. And I love windmills. I have one out in my yard that's a real one, but it's out of commission right now. Oh, I love these. There's so many things you can do with them. Make them or use them as the garland, or use them as patterns, or paint them, or just, I love the colors in there. They're so bright and springy. And I got some more eggs. I know I've already got some eggs, but I bought more. Oh, there's another. I got some little eggs. Oh, I knew I had some more ribbon. I thought these were so stinking cute. Even if you just use them all year, they're just adorable. I got the green burlap. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of that. Oh, and I got a pink chevron and another cream and gold chevron. And I got some Fix-All. Everybody says they really like it a lot, and I thought I'd try it. I really like E6000, and the smell doesn't bother me, but what bothers me is I buy a great big tube, and then it's impossible to get the lid off, but I have heard people say put Vaseline around it, but you get it and it's clogged up at the nozzle, and you can't get it out, so it's a big waste of money because you bought the big one. So from now on, I'm just going to be buying the small ones, or I'll try this and see how I like that. I bought a couple of the foam wreaths. I haven't really seen them anywhere. I bought 2 of these bunny plaques. And I like this sign. I may redo something with it, I may not. It says, "Do all things with great love." And I bought 3 of the smaller terracotta pots. I bought a few of these bunny baskets. I think they're so stinking cute. They got the pink one and they've got the blue one. These for my front porch. Bunny. And there's the chick. here's another couple of eggs. I like these because they're plastic and they won't get too banged up during the spring weather that we have. Utah's one of these places where wait 5 minutes and the weather changes, and we can have heat, snow, cold, rain, earthquakes all on the same day. And I bought 3 of these bunny plaques, mostly because I want the bunny off of here. But I think they're really cute plaques. I have one from last year that I just hung up because I really liked it. Got an egg. Every bunny welcome. And they're great for doing other things to them. I love this one too. I just like it even the way it is. And I saw Wendy from White Sparrow do one that was so cute. Oh, also, somebody else did one too. I bought just a plain egg. I found one. And I bought a whole bunch of different florals. Some of these came from Walmart. I like this little wreath one. It's nice to make a little wreath and not have to cut with the flowers. I bought this ranunculus. I love these flowers, they're so pretty. I bought some of these olive stems. They're really, really big too. Really long. So if you have a big vase, they'd be great to put in there. I got this, which I'll take it apart, but I'm probably going to use this for my cross because it's got lilies. And we know lilies are a symbol of Easter. And it's got a lot of other things in here. Really nice. I think that was $5 at Walmart. I got these at Peonies at Dollar Tree. And I love the color. I think they're gorgeous. And I got this mixed batch, which is really quite large too. I got this at Walmart, and this was $6.88. Their prices have gone up, I noticed. This was a white peony with a little touch of pink. Got that at Dollar Tree. And of course I bought the lamb's ear. It's gone up to $2, but it's so nice. And there's 2 stems in here. And you can get quite a few off of there. And I bought all these berries. Yellow, the pink, the blue. I got these at Dollar Tree. And I found quite a few of these, this greenery bouquet. I think I've already used some off of there. I got that at Dollar Tree. Oh, there's another one. There's one that's a little bit different from Dollar Tree. And I got these lilacs. Oh, this one is lavender and this one's a lilac. I wish they smelled like lilacs. That's my favorite flower. Then I found these berries. I got these at Walmart. I don't have the tag on those, so I'm not sure what they cost. And that's probably about it. I've bought a lot of other things, but they're already put away. So, keep an eye out for my projects, because I've got a lot of projects to be doing. And I hadn't felt great lately, so I've been putting it off, but I feel a little better today, and it's about 4 in the morning, and I thought I'd come in here and do some filming while it was nice and quiet. So I will see you soon, hopefully to show you my projects, and I will be coming back with a video to show you some of the things I made last year before I started my channel. Bye! We will see you soon.